Welcome to HVS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating DTMF mobile phone control robot which can clean the floor. So with this mechanism, so from here we are going to control the robots in 4 directions. So like forward, backward, left, right, and so this motor also will be controlled. And this main purpose of this system is this attachment will take the dust which is any solid wastage, will take it and it will place inside this robot section. So here we are using the 4 DC motors to control this robot and 5th DC motor to control this attachment in order to place the dust, and it will take that and placing it inside this robot. And coming to the connections, so we are using PIC microcontroller and HT 9170 or 8870, both are same, for DTMF decoder IC interface to the PIC microcontroller of B0 to B3 pins. So the B0 to B3 pins interface at D0 to D3 of data bits from this decoder IC, and we have interface the earphone interface to the decoder. So whenever the key pressed from this mobile phone, or so in generally the application of this project is we need to make a call to this number and it should be in auto answer. Then when the called person enter the keys like 1 2 3 4, it will receive the signal and give to the decoder IC, and based on the DTMF table it will generate the 4-bit data and given to the PIC microcontroller. Based on the instructions written inside the PIC microcontroller, we can control the direction of the robots or the attachment on and off. So here we are using the 3 relays to control this section. So 2 relays for the motor, forward, backward, left, right, and 1 relay is to control this dust taken attachment. So here the relays interface at C0, C1, C2, and as I said initially, DTMF to B0 to B3, and so now actually due to unavailability of another phone, so we are demonstrating from the DTMF app. So from the Play Store only we need to install the DTMF app. So now open the app. So after opening the app, or else in general, as I said, we need to make a call to this mobile phone. After connecting the batteries properly, so just press enter, it move forward 0 off, and 4 left 0 off. So like this we can control. So now let us see the demonstration of how the system will clean the floor. So for on and off this mechanism, so just enter 3, it will be on, and 1 off. So now I am entering on and a forward direction. In this manner, so the system will take the dust inside that. So let us see again. Now one more time. So I am entering 2 and 3 on. So like this the dust will be collected. Thank you for watching demo.